Hello, good morning everyone. I hope you all are very good and fantastic. So, children, today here again I am Priyanka Agrawal with you. I welcome you in your EVS class. Okay, very welcome to all. So, now today we will continue the previous chapter, that is chapter 6. Okay, so now in previous class I have explained you about the living things and the non-living things. So today we will learn what is the difference between the living things and non-living things. So in previous class also we have learned about the living and non-living. Living things can breathe, they are alive, and non-living things, they are not alive, they cannot breathe, they cannot walk, they cannot talk. Like this, non-living things cannot move on their own. Non-living things cannot move on their own. They move only when we push or lift them. When they push, when they move, जब हम उनको push करें या फिर उनको lift करें. Lift means उनको उठाएं. Living things grow in size. Yes, like just look at this example. A child grows up and becomes a man. When a baby born, then he was very small baby. Then he becomes a child, and child grows up and becomes a man. Like there is one more example here. A sapling grows and becomes a plant. Okay, first we sapling it. When we do plantation of a plant, then it becomes sapling grows and becomes a plant. Like this, a puppy grows and become a dog. Some non-living things are built by man. Yes, some things are built by man. कुछ चीज़ें हैं जो non-living things हैं, that is made by the man. They are called man-made things. Okay, so the question is this: what are man-made things? Man-made things क्या है जो मैंने? Some non-living things are built by man. What is the answer of this? Some non-living things are built by man. They are called man-made things, like houses, cars, books, buses are man-made things. These all things made by the man. ये किसने बनाया है? Man ने बनाया. Just we will take a quick revision also. Just look at this. What is this? Bed, car, truck, books, balloons, houses, or many things that is made by the man. These are called man-made things. Okay, so now here you can see here is a mind map. So what is mind map? In so many classes I have explained you. The mind map is a short revision of full chapter, whatever we have learned in this chapter. So we will take a revision also here. What is the topic is? Topic is things. In this chapter we have learned three types of things: living things, non-living things, and how they are made. Means some things are made by man and some are natural. Like natural, I have explained you, I think here. Just look at here. Like mountains, soil, table, chair, bed, desk, river, football are non-living things. They are not alive, and just these are the things by nature, like mountain, lake, river. Okay, so now we will read here. Living things. What living things can do? Living things can breathe, move, grow, need food and water, feel emotions. Like examples, human beings. Yes, human beings can breathe, they can move, they can grow, and they need food and water, and they feel emotions. Plants and animals, these all the examples are living things. produce babies. Okay, and then what are non-living things? Do not breathe. Non-living things do not breathe, they cannot move, they don't grow, they don't need food and water. Just this is car is a non-living things. It can breathe? No, no. So do not feel emotions. Examples like objects, mountains, toy, etc. Okay, and here how they are made. Natural, like mountains, hills, these are the natural things, so we call it natural non-living things. And man-made, how man-made things like houses, buses, furniture, etc. These are things made by man, so we call them man-made things. So what we have learned in this chapter: living things, non-living things, how they are made. Okay, so very good. Today what you will do? Today you will learn all the living things examples, and how you will explain living things, non-living things, what are man-made things and what are natural things. Okay, so watch this video, learn whatever I have teach you in this video, and be ready for the next class. In next class, tomorrow we will learn the book exercise through the video. Okay, goodbye, have fun and do study.